Ucha, welcome back to the Love Always Foundation, and there's another partnership we'll establish. This is Black Diamond Nursery, and they're gonna hook us up with some planting goods. How you doing? So interesting thing about Black Diamond, they used to be in the coal industry before they transitioned into a nursery.
And they built this one about 16 years ago.
Okay.
All right, and just because this is a growing area out here in Perrysburg, it's really been a smart move. So, okay, this is what I got over here.
Oh, nice.
Do any of these trays work for you? I mean, these are for the rounds.
Wow. Just went crazy. We just got hella trays. As you can see right here, these are Stella Mac tomatoes. Stella is my great aunt, and she got these tomatoes from a gardener. And when I say they're so delicious that my wife planted the seeds literally the same day that we ate the tomatoes, they were so delicious, and we was just coming off of a fast, so they were so delicious. And these are some of the things that we're going to utilize these containers for, is to get our seedlings started before they can go outside and have a head start on the growing season. So here at the Love Always Foundation, we would like to utilize our resources and build connections with those across the land. Rejuvenation of our nation is participation, and if we can get others to participate in the growth and planting their seed, we can all water it together and continue to grow and moving forward. We thank y'all for visiting Love Always Foundation in the Garden of Treatz, and make sure you like and subscribe and tell your family about us so we continue to grow together.